Today I'm talking about a little sensor that can cause big problems if it goes bad, the throttle position sensor. You know, this thing is vital to your car running right, and if it's on the fritz, you're gonna know it. We're talking rough idling, bad acceleration, even stalling out at the worst possible time. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you the rundown on the symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor. So, you're trying to merge onto the highway and your car feels like it's pulling an anchor? That, my friends, could be your throttle position sensor acting up. When it goes bad, it's like talking to someone who speaks a different language. Your car just doesn't understand what you want it to do. You might notice hesitation when you try to accelerate, or it might feel like your car is down on power. Not a good feeling. And don't even get me started on hills. You know how frustrating it is to be stuck behind some slow poke on an incline? Well, with a bad throttle position sensor, you might as well put the hazard lights on. Ever feel like you're sitting in a paint shaker at a stoplight? That's your car idling rough, and you guessed it, the throttle position sensor could be the bad apple here. See, a smooth idle means the engine is getting the right mix of air and fuel. But when the TPS sends the wrong signal, the engine gets confused. Too much fuel, not enough air, and boom, you're in for a bumpy ride. And it's not just annoying, it's bad for your engine. That little yellow light on your dashboard? Yeah, the check engine light. It's like your car's way of saying, hey buddy, something ain't right. And you better believe a bad throttle position sensor can trip that light faster than you can say mechanic. Ignoring a check engine light is like playing Russian roulette with your car. It could be something minor, or it could be a sign of a much bigger problem that's about to leave you stranded. Imagine this. You're pulling out into traffic and suddenly your engine dies. Not good, right? Well, a faulty throttle position sensor can cause your car to stall out at the worst possible moments. And let's be real, stalling out in traffic is not only embarrassing, it's downright dangerous. So if you're experiencing stalling issues, don't mess around. You ever feel like your car is shifting gears at the wrong time, or maybe it's hesitant to shift at all? You might be thinking, oh no, my transmission is shot. See, your car's computer uses the TPS signal to determine when to shift gears. So when that signal is messed up, it's like giving your transmission bad instructions. If you're having shifting problems, it's definitely worth checking the TPS before you shell out big bucks for a new transmission. We've talked about sluggish acceleration, but what about the opposite? Ever had your car suddenly surge forward for no reason? Yeah, that's not a good sign. A faulty throttle position sensor can send false signals to the engine, telling it you're flooring the gas pedal when you're barely touching it. If your car's acting possessed, get that TPS checked out yesterday. Gas prices got you down? Well, a bad throttle position sensor could be making matters worse. When your TPS is sending inaccurate signals, it throws off the air-fuel mixture in your engine. And when your engine's not getting the right mix, it can't run efficiently. If you're noticing a sudden drop in MPG, it's worth investigating the TPS. Getting it fixed could save you money at the pump in the long run. So there you have it, folks. Those are some of the most common symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor. Remember, this little sensor plays a big role in how your car runs, so don't ignore the warning signs. If you're experiencing any of the issues we talked about today, get your car checked out by a trusted mechanic.
If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more car repair tips and tricks, and leave a comment down below with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.